surprised she's got him up here. What's she doing? There's a couple of babies over there too. I'm surprised. What is this one doing? Wow, there's a whole bunch of them down there. They're bigger though. This is right by where the cars go by though. I don't want them to get hit. I'll have to block the road. Come on, get across before a car comes. Come on. Oh, here comes a car. Here comes a car. Here comes two cars. Stop, stop, Steph. Stop. Oh, good. The mom wants to go over there so bad. Let's help him. Let's help him get over there. Go on. Go on. Go on. Hurry up. Okay, they made it. Phew. We got birds up in the sky too. All right. That makes me happy. One good reason for me to live today was that. All right, bye-bye.